See this? I'm gonna show you how to utilize this and save a lot of money doing so. Welcome back to the Chef2k's kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how to take a whole chicken, make 3 different meals out of it, and save a lot of money doing it. Don't forget to subscribe and you won't miss out on any of our helpful cooking tips. All right, we're gonna break this down. We're gonna get it into 2 hindquarters. We're gonna take off the chicken wings. We're gonna take off the breast. We're gonna be left with the whole carcass, all the meat gone, but we're gonna utilize that to make some bone broth. All right, let's do it. I like to start with the hindquarter. We're gonna open it up. You can always see the lines when you're butchering meat. So you can see, you want the hindquarter, that's this piece here. So you open it up, you see the line right there. Take your knife, follow it down. You can see it open up. You can see you're not cutting the meat, you're separating it. That's what you want. So you make your first incision there, follow the skin down. So now we've got this loosened, we've cut it off, nice and clean. There's a joint right there, I just cracked it. You can see it right there. We don't really want the ball of the joints. We cut that off nice and smooth. Now we are left with a perfect hindquarter. So we will go over here to our chicken wing. You can see it here. Flip it upside down, pull it apart. You see the wing, you see the drum. So we're gonna detach the drum. You're gonna see the joint once again. Just gonna get all the skin off around it. Take the joint, crack it off. All right, now we've got a beautiful chicken wing. Split it down. Take the wing off the end. We've got chicken wings, we've got drumstick. Save the tips, we're gonna use that for the stock. Okay, we've got our wings off. We've got our hindquarters off. Next, we're gonna do our chicken breast. This is where you save a lot of money. Chicken breast is expensive. So we're just gonna take that knife and we're gonna go right down the center, kind of opening it up. Okay, now you just wanna take that little slice you've made and just feel in there. You're gonna feel the bone right here. So what you wanna do is whenever cutting meat and you're cutting to the bone or you're cutting the skin off, always have the knife tipped away from the meat. You wanna follow the bone with the edge of your knife. So we're gonna just have that tilted in. We're gonna go down and take this breast off nice and clean. Make sure we got no bone in there. Boom, there's our chicken breast. We'll leave its skin on for now. Now you can actually see the bone. So it's a lot easier to get your angle on it and start your first incision. So now we've got a clean carcass. We're gonna set this aside. I'll talk about that in a minute. At this point, we've got our hindquarter here. This can be broken down into your chicken thigh. So you just have the thigh right there and then have legs. Personally, I'm using this to do Jamaican jerk chicken, so I'm gonna use the whole quarter. All right, guys, we've got our board of meat here. This is 2 chickens. We've broken it down. We've got the hindquarters here, the breasts here. We've got chicken wings here, and we've saved the wing tips and the carcasses. Perfect for bone broth. Guys, bone broth is amazing. Start your day with a little cup of bone broth. You'll see a difference, I promise. We paid $32 for these 2 chickens. Easily in this applications, broken down in these ways, you're looking at $65 worth of meat easily right there. We've doubled our savings, all just by doing the work ourselves. It's not that hard, guys, and you can save a lot of money and still serve your family a quality meal. If you guys like what you see and you apply this on your own, please share in the comments what you did. If you have any tips for me, hey, I'll take any tip you can give. Cooking is a constant learning process. If you guys found this video helpful, like it, subscribe, and next week we're gonna take this chicken breast and we're gonna whip it into some chicken strips and fries. Then we're gonna take the hindquarters and we're gonna do our own Jamaican jerk chicken. Follow along.